Student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is lesson 10 of English book, and in fact this is a poem, and the title of this poem is My New Year's Resolution. So what is the meaning of resolutions? So what happened generally, peoples on New Year's, they take some promises, strong promises, as like to lift the bad habit forever. To leave the bad habit forever and convert their bad habit into good habits, and accept some develop some other habits, as like to be punctual, like that. So that is the same action done by the poet, and he is describing his resolution through a poem. So let's see what he is saying in this poem. I will not throw the cat out the window, put a frog in my sister's bed. I will not tie my brother's shoelace together, nor jump from the roof of that set. So in the first stanza, the poet is saying that he will not throw the cat out from the window, and he will not keep the frog on his sister's bed. He will not tease his sister by keeping the frog, by putting the frog on his bed, and he will not create problem for his brothers as he used to do by tying their shoelace together, and definitely he will not jump from the roof of his dad's shed. In the second stanza, the poet is saying, I shall remember my aunt's next birthday and tidy my room once a week. I will not mourn at mom's cooking of fish fingers again, nor give her any more of my chicks. So in the second stanza, the poet is saying that as a new year resolution that is made by him, so he always remember all the birthday of his aunts, and once a week he will clean his room himself, and he will not make fun of his mother's cooking, as he used to say, like fish fingers again, and definitely he will not be angry with his mother. I will not pick my nose if I can help. So pick my nose means he will not stop himself by helping if he find that he is able to do help. I shall fold up my cloth, comb my hair. He will arrange his cloth himself, and also he will comb his hair. He will not take his mother's elders' help if he is able to do his work himself. I will say please and thank you even when I don't mean it, and never spit out even swear. And from the forever, he will say please and thank you whether it is necessary or not, and he will never spit, shout, even swear. Swear means taking oath. Shout, crying, spit from unnecessary. I shall write each day in my diary, try my hardest to be helpful at school. I shall help old ladies cross roads even if they don't want to, and when others are rude, I stay cool. So in this stanza, the poet is saying he will always maintain his diary. He will make diary entry always, and to take his study, his resolution is that he will do help in school work and also do hard work in his studies, and shall help old ladies cross roads. And whenever he will be on the road and find that some old ladies are crossing the road, definitely he will go them and help them whether they will need it or not. So he will help the old ladies in crossing the road, and when others are rude, I shall stay cool. And whenever anyone is responding in a wrong manner or in a angry manner, he will keep silent and keep calm. I will go to bed with the owls and be up with the lark. So he is saying in this line by in a proverbs that he will get up early in the morning and he will go to his bed early in the night, at the night, and close every door behind me. And whenever he will come out from his room, he will always keep his door closed. I shall squeeze from the bottom of every toothpaste tube and stay where trouble can't find me. So in this line, the poet is saying that when he find the toothpaste is empty, he will squeeze them all. He will not through the toothpaste tube until he squeeze them all, and stay where trouble can't find me. And he will not be the cause of trouble, and he will stay away from all the cause of troubles. I shall start again, turn over a new leaf, means he will start a new journey of his life. He will start a new life by accepting a new habits, good habits, and turn over a new leaf, and he will change his bad habits. Leave my bad old ways forever. He will leave his old habit forever, and he will change his bad habits in a good habits. Shall I start them this year? Yeah, next year shall I sometimes or. So in the last line he is asking whether I should start it from this year, yeah, next year, yeah, sometimes other. So through this poem, the poet is saying that we should take some resolution on any occasion and try to promise ourselves that we should leave all my we should will leave our bad habits forever, and turn over a new leaf. Thank you.